Hello friends, today I will teach you how to define a function in Python. In a long code, you need to define a lot of functions to make it easier to understand the code. So for that, let me first start Python. Yeah. So now you want to define a function. Let me speak with some easy function like fx is equals to x square. So for that you need to write like this: def, that means define, then the function name, that it is f. Yeah, next you can just put your arguments, that is x, let's say, then this colon, and this is the syntax, that's all. Then put a tab. Actually this tab means the proper indentation. Okay, so without this indentation the next line will not be considered as the part of the function fx. So with this indentation it will consider that the next line, whatever I will be writing, that will be inside the function. Okay, in C++ or Fortran, like that kind of languages, they use the brackets. Okay, so in this case we will use in Python, it is indentation. Okay, so in this line, let me write just return x square. Okay, then enter. Okay, so now you have defined a function fx. So just check it out. If the argument is 2, then it should return what? 4. So it is returning 4. Next, let me just do this. If 4, that 4 square means this is 16. So this is how you can define a function. You can define functions with more arguments. Let me define another function, that is, let me give the name g. Okay, and it takes 2 arguments, x comma y. So you can just use in this way. Then similarly indentation. Then okay, now tab. Then let me define this function as it will output more than one numbers. Okay, it can. So in this case, let me just define the sum of these two numbers, that is x plus y, and then multiplication, that is x multiplied by y, then return, that is x comma m. Okay, now I have defined this function. Now let me just give a demo, that 3 comma 5. So what it should return, that is 8 comma 15, and it is giving in that way. So the first one is the sum, that is 3 plus 5, the sum 8, and the next one is the multiplication, that is 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to 15. So it is this much simple. So if you like, just like the channel and like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.